All right. We're on to lesson 3.5 here, writing exponential functions. So just it's going off of what we've been doing. So if you just keep following along here, everything builds. It's all about percent increase and decrease. Okay, so we'll just do two examples. An account starts with $100 and has a 15% increase each year. Okay, that's the scenario every year, 15%. Okay, so write a function is the first thing you're gonna have to do. We'll call it f of x. This can be for the value at year x. Okay, so basically whatever year, whatever we want to plug in. Okay, so here's how it is. Pretty simple. Remember, you take your starting amount, so the 100, and basically I need to multiply that by something to do a 15% increase. Okay, so that's actually 1.15. Okay, that would do 15% increase. For how many years? Well, we don't know. It's going to be for X years. So how do I make it say for X years? Well, I want to times by that X times. That's really to the power X. Okay, so remember, this is the starting amount, what you started with. This is a 15% increase. Remember, we did 1 plus the 15. Remember, we did that on the last assignment. Okay, 1 plus 15%. So 1 plus 0.15, 1.15. Okay, that's a function. It will say something like, okay, what's f of 3? Well, plug in 3. So it's 100 times, there's just times here, 1.15 to the third. All right, which really just means 100 times 1.15 times 1.15 times 1.15. Okay, we got times by 1.15 each year for 3 years. Okay, so if you have a power button, I'll just show you the two ways you could do that. If you just have a basic calculator, you could just type that all in. 100 times 1.15 times 1.15 times 1.15, getting $152.09. The shortcut on that would be, if you do have a power button, you could say 100 times 1.15. You know where this power button is, this caret, something like that. On here it's a caret. It's called to the, what do we go, 3? That would times it by 3 times. I should get the same answer, 152.09. Okay, so either way, if you have a calculator that does powers, obviously it'd be a little bit faster for you. But if you just have a basic calculator, that's fine. Okay, let's do one more quick one. An account, we're going to say we'll do similar, starts with $100 and has a 15% decrease each year. Okay, write the function for that. We'll call it g of x. All right, so same thing. It's a starting amount, $100, times this factor, okay? So remember, for a decrease, we did 1 minus 15% or 1 minus 0.15. It's really going to be times 0.85. Again, how I got that was 1 minus 15. Because it's decrease, I minus. Okay, to the x power, however many years you want to go. So again, let's say you want to go for three years. G of 3. 100, you can just go times 0.85 times 0.85 times 0.85, or if you have a fancy dancy calculator, which you should be able to find one on your Chromebook there, as long as you can figure out where the power button is. Again, on mine it's this caret to the third. Let me write that here. 100 times 0.85 to the third is what I'm actually doing. Okay. $61.41. Okay. Okay, it decreased, right? Here it increased by 15% every year. Obviously, it grew bigger. Here is a decrease. So just notice they're very similar, except the factor here. This is 1 plus 0.15. This is 1 minus 0.15. Pretty basic. That's pretty much what you need to know for your assignment today. All right, have a good day, guys.